welcome to my channel. I'm Angie. I hope you will enjoy today's video. See you around!
Today, samahan niyo kami sa isang exciting adventure as we explore a real underground gold mine here in Bendigo. Kasama ko ang aking apo together with my friend and her children. Instead of driving, we decided to take the train. Mas relaxing, mas komportable at parang nagsimula na agad ang adventure habang nasa biyahe pa lang kami. This trip wasn't just for fun. Gusto rin naming matuto ang mga bata and kami rin about Australia's amazing gold rush history. It's incredible to think that thousands of people came to Bendigo hoping to find gold and build a better future for their families. Pagdating namin sa Central Deborah Gold Mine, we watched a short safety video, received our hard hats, and got ready for our underground tour. One of the most exciting moments was riding the old mining elevator down in the mine. Medyo nakakakaba sa umpisa because of the strange sounds and the feeling of going deeper underground. But after a few moments, excitement took over. Pagdating sa underground, our tour guide shared fascinating stories about the miners who worked there over 100 years ago. Doon namin na-realize kung gaano kahirap at kapanganib ang buhay nila. They spent long hours underground with very little light, using only simple tools to search for gold. He even showed us real pieces of gold still attached to the rocks, so we could actually see where the gold came from. That made the experience feel even more real and unforgettable.
That's not stressful at all, is it?
Yeah.
You don't like it? No, you don't like it? Drills. Alright, now the first drill I want to talk to you about is this green one that sits over here in the corner. This drill is what we call a stroker or reciprocator.
One of our favorite activities was gold panning. Ang saya palang maghanap ng maliliit na piraso ng totoong ginto. Every tiny sparkle made everyone excited, especially my apo. Para kaming naging treasure hunters for a day. After our underground adventure, sumakay naman kami sa famous talking tram to explore Bendigo. It was the perfect way to relax while learning more about the city's beautiful heritage buildings and its rich gold rush history. By the end of the day, pagod man kami, sobrang saya naman. This trip wasn't just about visiting a tourist attraction. It was about learning history, spending quality time with family and friends, and creating memories that we can always treasure. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this adventure, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. See you in the next vlog and take care.